how to detect which hand it is from an image in native iOS app using vision framework. So here, as you can see, I'm able to detect which hand, whether it is a right hand or a left hand from an image using the vision framework. Now here many of you might be wondering that this is a left hand. Even I think so, it is a left hand. I don't know why it is detecting as a right hand, but I think there is some bug in the framework itself, but maybe it should get resolved in the future. I have tried it for a few other images as well, so I'll just show it for a few other images. Okay, I don't have image, I have image 1. I'll just rerun my application. Like every time I take whatever, like even a left hand, right hand, it always says right hand. I don't know why. Also you will have to run this output on a real device, it won't work on a simulator. So yeah, hopefully this output should be ready now. So this I feel is a right hand. Okay, so yeah, it has detected right hand properly. Again, I'll just change this, just show you guys few more outputs. But yeah, do know that there is some bug in this particular thing which always causes it to detect right hands even if it is a left hand. So yeah, I think this feels like a right hand. Alright, I'll just change it to image 3. So here I'm just printing it to the console, okay, in case some of you might have missed it. So this feels like a left hand, still it is saying right hand. I don't know why, but hopefully you got the point. So basically what I have done is that first I have created a native iOS application. I am using UIKit, but if you want you can use SwiftUI as well. And inside the assets folder I have taken few images of hands. Okay, then inside view controller I have just imported vision. I have created a UI image view. I'm initializing our UI image view. Then I'm adding our image view to our parent view, and then setting some NS layout constraint stuff. Then here we are initializing our UI image. Change this to your own image name, then assign it to our image view. Then I'm calling detect hand pose. Here we convert our image to a CG image. Then we just do vn detect human hand pose request. We use this vn image request handler. Then here on the background thread we perform this particular request, and we get the first result which has been detected. And on that we just run determine handle chirality. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, chirality or chirality, however you pronounce it, and we just pass that to this particular method, the result part. So here it is in form of vn human hand pose observation, and with the help of this you can either detect whether it is a left hand or a right hand, and if there is no such value we just say nothing detected. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.